Hello everyone, welcome to Wilson and Family Kitchen. Today we're making chicken parmesan. First you start with 2 eggs, any color, but it has to be large. Then you're going to crack them. 1, 2. Now I'm going to whisk the eggs. I wanted to say eggies. That's why you heard after eggs, E. Now I'm gonna grab some breadcrumbs. That's enough?
Probably.
That's enough.
That's plenty.
So first you'll grab some chicken and put it in the egg. And now I'll put this in the breadcrumbs. And that should be good. I'll put that there. And you keep doing this over and over until all the chicken's gone. And onto the dumpling. I've done this before, so I should be a pro at this, which I am. When I was 3 years old, we made chicken parmesan and cheese, along with some nice tomato sauce. 4th on the row! Finally finished making our chicken. And soon we'll be cooking it on the stove. And then it'll be served with some cheese. Now I am going to put this on medium. Just about there, yeah. And then I'm gonna put some oil in. That's enough?
Yeah.
I said slow. Just like enough to cover the bottom of the pan. But that's not enough. I guess it is enough. No, that. Now I'm going to take the chicken and just do that. Then take another piece. So now I'm gonna check. Always use tongs. Ooh, it's good for flipping. Ooh, there you go. I should probably flip. Ooh! That was amazing. I'm gonna just do a little sneaky peeky. Ooh, it looks pretty good on that one, but not good enough. We should really. I think they're actually good. That's one. So now everyone, I'm going to take the tomato sauce and just put it on there and rub it around. Then I get another batch of it. So I'm setting the tomato sauce on top. Now I'm going to put onto the top of the tomato sauce the fresh mozzarella balls. First I need to get one. They're not really balls. It makes me really want to eat one. They're my favorite. I'm cooking dinner for my mom, my dad, and Tony and Jade. Just Tony?
Just Tony.
Now I'm going to put it in the oven. So this is what it turned out to look like, but we're not actually done. We are now making the noodle, like spaghetti, that kind of noodle. And this is the tomato sauce we used on that. So now everybody, I'm going to take the sauce and 1 scoop. That's 1. Yeah, then I just so now I am going to take the chicken and put it on top of the noodle. That is called Chicken Parmesan until it's called chicken and noodle. But now it'll be called Chicken Parmesan. There we go. I want people to try to make this for sure. Noodle time. So now I want all of you beautiful viewers to tell your friends and make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and that'll wrap up this video. Bye bye everyone. Thank you very much for watching.
That was really good.
Jade's not coming.
Just Tony?
Just Tony.
Why not?
Jade is in New York City.
Oh yeah, right. Why'd she have to go there?
Doesn't have to. She wanted to go there. Why do you like to go to New York?
Because it's the best thing in the world.
Say that into the camera.
New York City is the best thing in the world. Well, opinions. So.